Audio Jungle.
Firstly, use SprutCAM software to create the design of the project into 9 steps to finish the process. First, facing milling top and bottom surface until get a parallel surface. Second step, face milling 4 side surface to get a square block. Step 3, step and groove cutting on base. 4. Base engraving. Step 5, slot cutting. Step 6, decorative plate hole drilling. Step 7, decorative plate engraving. Step 8, decorative plate wire cut internal region. And last, decorative plate wire cut external region. We use raw aluminum block and aluminum plates. Clamp the workpiece into CNC milling machine. Set X, Y, and Z axis to 0 position. Facing the material of top and bottom side using milling cutter. Next, groove the material base with base groove cutter. Make sure when the whole process are running, the coolant is on. Making logo. Clamp the workpiece into CNC milling machine. Create the logo polytechnic bunting, use base engraving cutter. Next, make a slot for decorative. Before start, make sure X, Y, and Z axis in 0 position. For this slot, cutting process is hold on to make the hole. This process may take more than 30 minutes. Making decorative convocation plate. Cut the base on the decorative plate size to make base of plate. And clamp into CNC milling machine. Set X, Y, and Z axis to 0 position. Placing the plate of top side with base milling cutter. Create the formula PPS EFAGC with base engraving cutter. Next, set the plate into wire cut EDM machine and let with decorative plate to be processed based on the program of the SprutCAM. Take out the plate carefully. Lastly, rub the plate and block using sandpaper. Results.